Hello everyone, this is Josh with Ativia. I'm here bringing you another video that's kind of going to dive in just a little bit and show you about some of the features that Gbridge has and how you can use that in your personal or business life for remote access, file sharing, and some cool things like that. So after you install Gbridge, it's going to bring you to this screen right here that's asking you for a user ID and password, and the host name will be the name of your computer that you're on. So you can see I have my business email address there. That's because my business is signed up with Google Apps. So if your business is signed up with Google Apps, this integrates very nicely with your business infrastructure, rather your IT infrastructure for your business, whereas everyone's user is their email. So if you don't have Google Apps, or if this is for personal use, you would just hit the drop down menu and select what kind of Google account you have. You do have to have a Google account of some sorts in order to use this. So go ahead and log in, and it should just take a second to log in, and this is what it looks like when it does. So right here, this is the main control panel for Gbridge. So right off the bat, you're going to notice many different areas here. Okay, so right here I have excellent network connectivity. It'll show you your computers. Your computers means that you install Gbridge on all of your computers, such as your work computer, your home computer, your laptop. You install Gbridge on all of those, and then you sign in with the same user in all of those, and that's how it differentiates whether it's your computer, a friend's computer, or something like that. So my computers is all the computers that you're signed in under your user email address. So I'm just going to talk about some of the cool features here. So right here, just looking at the different groups here, my computers, we talked about that. Ativia.com, this is the excellent area for if you had Google Apps for your business, all of your users would be shown there automatically. So it makes it very easy to have desktop shares, file transfers, and stuff like that for the users of your business. Friends here, if you were to go to this tab right here and invite a friend, or just click here and invite a friend, you can invite friends that have Gmail accounts or that are on your Gtalk account or something like that, and then they show up there, and then you can send them an invitation to do a desktop share. So this is an easy way to help a friend out if your friend has a question about his computer or something like that. Moving on, you can do create secure share. So I'm not going to actually do it, but this is, you would go and find a file that you wanted to share with another computer, and then right here it shows you, see I already have one set up, I share it, you can follow the prompts on how to set that up, and it will actually share that file with another computer. And then once you have that shared, you can create an autosync for it, and then it will automatically sync that folder with the other one. So for example, let's say you wanted to share a file between your work computer and your home computer. If you made a change to one of the files in there, it would automatically sync up with the other computer, and then it'll take the latest version on the computer that you want to use it on next. So that folder always stays synced between your two computers. Another very great tool for business use. You can use this to back up your computer, so you can back up files to another computer using this. I want to talk about real quick the desktop sharing options. Gbridge allows you to connect either through VNC or through Windows Desktop Protocol. Windows Desktop Protocol is the one that I prefer to use. It's quicker, it's faster, it's a little less secure, but I still use it anyways. You know, I'm going to my computer, so I'm comfortable with it. VNC would be the option you would want to choose if you were going to desktop share with someone else, because if you use VNC, they can see the mouse move. If you use Windows Desktop Protocol, it will actually lock the other user out of their computer so they can't be on it too. So you configure both of those by going to here. So for example, it says you would enable it, and then right here it'll tell you if you have Windows Remote Desktop Service on or off. If it's off, it will automatically take you to the screen to turn it on. So I have it set up. The VNC is here. You set up a password so that it asks you for that, and that's about it for that. So this is a quick look at Gbridge. The last thing I'm going to do is just show you real quick how simple it is to connect to another computer. You just select the computer. I'm on Josh's PC right now. This is my laptop. I'm just going to click on it, access Windows Remote Desktop. If you wanted to use VNC, that's right there. So you just click on that, put in the password, and it's gonna authenticate it, and hopefully without any trouble here. Yep, there we go. So there's my laptop right there. So you can adjust the window size and all that good stuff, but this is it. So I'm remotely connected. That simple. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. You again apply this for business or personal use. It's very good for both. I hope this is useful. If you have any questions, please email us at support@ativia.com. Thanks.